So guys, we're now learning how to create a mail merge. So first thing first, go to mailings and start mail merge. If you don't know the step yet, you can click here. And if you do, you can go directly. So we're gonna choose this one for us to teach you guys. So you can select any type of document here. So we have email, message, envelopes, labels, directory. I'm gonna choose letters. Then click next. Then if you have existing document, you can click here. And if you want other template, you can also click here. And not but and I'm gonna but I don't want that, so I'm gonna use my current document, this one. So I click next. So if you don't have a list of recipients, you can create here. You can click this one. But this is you can create this one. You can type here. But I have already existing this, so I'm gonna click choose this. And click here if you do have existing list. Then remember the name of your list or file. Then click open here, so you can see guys. Then click OK. Then we're gonna type our letter. Okay. And after the letter, provide space here. Yeah, provide one space, and this one gonna where you put address block. So your address block is showing the small information to the receiver. So like that. Then click OK. Then provide again a space. Then don't forget to conclude this, because this is the one showing respect to the receiver. Then click OK. Don't forget to complete this and click next. This is the result of your address block. You create address block and your greeting line. Also, this is the result of your recipients. You created recipient list. Then once you're done, oh wait, you see I have two recipients. Then once you're done, click here in next, complete the mail merge, then click print. I suggested to click all because this one I'm gonna show the whole pages. I'm gonna provide pages for you to have many pages. Then you can adjust here. This one gonna be called setting or adjustment. If you have many pages, if you have many pages and click all, the result of your letter is gonna be accurate and clear. Then click OK. Then you can type here your title of your work. So I'm gonna type my title work. Then click save. Then you can check it in your files. This one. I click on that. And that will show your work. You will see I address it into Sertoriano and address it to Mr. because they are my two recipients or gonna be called receiver. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can do MailVerge. Because MailVerge can make you easily create a letter and distribute it to anyone or to any receiver you want. That's it, guys.